Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. I am going to be chopping up some green onions or scallions. But before I chop anything, if you have a chopping board, I learned this tip, and it's in one of my viewers' voices. Put a wet towel, this is just a dish rag that's moist, and so that it doesn't move around. It just stays right there. So just wanted some of you newer troopers to see that. But what we're going to do is chop some scallions because you can freeze them. I just learned that. I thought scallions were too wet. They're mostly water. And I just didn't think they would do a good job of freezing. But I'm going to show you some frozen scallions that I have been using. But I just wanted to show you what I do. Cut the bottom off, cut them into pieces like this. And the reason I wanted to do this is because so often, I don't know about you, but my scallions turn into like a slimy mess, like this one. And I thought, how can I not have to buy these things every few days or once a week when I want to throw scallions in my salad, which I enjoy. After you've chopped up a few, you're going to take them and put them on a parchment lined baking sheet. And this is just the sheet that came with our toaster oven. Make sure you make it a single layer. And once you fill all of that up, so now I've finished chopping them up, single layer. You're going to put these in the freezer overnight. And when you come back, and here's what they'll look like. Find a nice jar with a lid. I don't know about you, but I was amazed that they still are separate and very, very nice. Isn't that wonderful? They're not slimy. Scallions are mostly water, like celery. If you like to cut them like longer on an angle, try that. Put that in your jar. But when I found out I could do this, I was very excited. And I knew that I had to share it with you troopers, because maybe you don't know either. Or maybe you did and you just didn't share it with me. And that's okay. So now we all know it. Okay, so that's it. Frozen scallions. Can you do it? Absolutely. That's the end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. And don't forget to leave me some comments below, so that I will know whether or not you knew about this, or you were surprised by this and you're going to try it as soon as you can. You won't end up with slimy, very slimy green onions, scallions. So until next time, troopers, bye for now.